guys, welcome to Smoky Films. I am Aaron.
Jesse.
Other Jesse. Staff.
We are on our way to go pick up a car today, hopefully, to add to the Smoky Films
Collection.
That's
the collection of shit boxes.
Yeah. Hopefully all goes well. We're gonna go check over a couple of things, and if all goes well, we'll give him a lowball offer, and then if he takes it, we'll be driving it home, and we'll show you.
Dropping a set, smoking some tyres.
Is it rear wheel drive?
Hopefully.
We'll see you guys soon. Cheers. Alright, so we've just had a look at the car and everything went smoothly. We went a little bit above budget to get this car, but we went through the pros and cons and it'll work out better for us. So, Jesse, you excited? What are you feeling?
I want to drive it.
You want to drive it?
I want to drive it.
Yeah. It's got launch control. We haven't even told you what the car is yet, but you'll have to wait. Sorry.
Have to wait
On a
to
scale
see
of-
me drop a set.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how are you feeling?
I'm feeling 9. 9 because I'm broke.
That's alright. Well, we got some more videos coming up. We got some skid pans. My car hopefully will be done soon, and then I can teach this guy how to drift part 2, and hopefully it doesn't blow another turbo.
I didn't blow the turbo.
Oh, I think it was him.
Get some insurance.
Let's get some insurance.
Front end is pretty staged too, man.
Alien.
Here she is. Stand in front, Jesse.
Yeah, get a good shot.
This is time for the happy dance. Time for
Do
the
you
happy
happy
dance.
dance? Look at this thing. It's actually tidy.
It's too perfect.
Alright, Jesse. What are you sitting in?
I'm sitting in my R33 Skyline.
Your new R33?
My new R33.
When did you pick this up?
Just then.
Just picked it up?
Just picked it up. About to go thrash the thing. nah, this is gonna be baby for a little bit until I learn to drive it. Until I learn where it kicks, and then you'll be seeing some skids ripped. And then that's just paint peel. Oh no, that's a bit of gutter rash.
I think you're going to be able to add some gutter ash to this thing.
Hopefully not.
What do you guys think about this
Can I
fitment?
shut the boot?
I'd say, personally, it's
Yeah.
whack. Fitment is whack.
Wait, my keys are in it. Nah.
I know they're not, Jesse. I know when you're lying.
Got the devil in your eyes. You went and took me by surprise. Say what you wanna say, I won't go back. If you wanna hit the road, then let's go then. Let's just go and see the world and just show them what it really means to live life golden. Yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. See it shine, cause we're golden. They can't ever break us down, cause we're golden. They about to see us glow, cause we're golden. Yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. They about to see us shine, cause we're golden. They can't ever break us down, cause we're golden. They about to see us glow, cause we're golden. Got the devil.
Bro, how good does that sound? What is our what's the first thing we're doing with this car, Jesse, you reckon?
Driving.
I reckon a weldy diff.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
Make it a bit less red hot.
Pretty fresh. Nice big boost gauge.
Big boost.
Even got a air to fuel ratio here. Good old Nismo cover.
Feels tight. Eh?
It's good handbrake.
So this is a rundown of my R33 GTST Skyline. We've got a R34 high flow turbo, 750cc injectors, 255 Walbro fuel pump, tuned to strictly 98. BC Racing coilovers.
What powers are pushing?
It's tuned to 260 rear wheel horsepower, rear wheel kilowatts. Sorry. One opened up a pod filter that sounded quite loose. Might have to sort something out there. aftermarket steel piping, which is always good, makes that sound ring. Aftermarket radiator and intercooler down here. Engine strut brace to absorb the shock somehow. See how that works. Some headlights that need a bit of a clean, as it may seem. Looks like they've got water on the inside somehow. We've got a Velo racing bucket seat in here. Got genuine work motion wheels. 255, 18-inch rims. That's a wrap of the video. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Next video will probably be us driving them.
The S15 should be done within 2 to 3 weeks. We've got everything almost sorted on it. Just need to organise a trailer and a time that my tuner and I can get it sorted out. And then they'll both be on the road and we'll be at the first event that we can possibly do. Get keen. Like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video. Cheerio!